How's that for an opening shot? Welcome back to the channel, it's Chad CRC. Flying more Epic and Proton 5.5 inch, Epic 229 V2 5.5 inch. This is all Epic footage here, flying in both. They both kind of have their tendencies that I like, but I think when it comes to pulling the best, smoothest, straight line type of video, the Epic is hands down just going to be the winner. The Proton maybe is a little bit more acrobatic with the X-frame style, but the wider wheelbase with the squish decks of the Epic just really lets it just keeps those lines and that attitude just going whichever way you have it pointing. You'll see like some nice, maybe higher altitude footage coming up here in the end. But anyway, this is just a quick little edit of the flight tonight. It's beautiful out, golden hour. Obviously, pulled a lot of cool footage. So, enjoy, and we'll see you guys on the next video.